Hello adventurers, how are we tonight? Just wanted to kind of give a sum up of the past couple of days or so. We've been in Washington and Oregon are the two states that we've been in the last couple of days. Oh, probably 600 to 800 miles or so we put on the Old Blue in this past couple of days, but we've gotten to see some beautiful, beautiful scenery. God has definitely created a lot of wonders in the world. And plain and simple, I've gotten to see several of them. The fall foliage in the west out here toward California. This side of the country is just unparalleled. I've never seen anything like it. The reds, the yellows, the hues out here are just amazing. And so far we've hit Crater Lake in Oregon National Park. We've hit Mount Rainier in Washington, and also Mount St. Helens in Washington. Mount St. Helens and Mount Rainier were unique. I kind of had my heads in the clouds, as you say. It was very foggy and rainy and kind of just not the best of days, but I thoroughly enjoyed the visits there. Got to see a lot of good things. I got to meet some people there at the state parks, or national parks I should say. They were just absolutely amazing. They're always so helpful there as far as helping you find the next stop on your journey as far as lodging and food and all that kind of good stuff. And shout out to all of those folks. And the byways is something I've learned a lot about while I've been out west. There's a lot of two-lane roads that lead from point A to point B, and sometimes point C if you make the wrong turn, I found out. But they're beautiful. Most of them are running through the mountains, gentle climbs and gentle descents through the mountains. And you're getting to see not only the fall foliage, the beautiful forest, the aged trees, and also just streams and rivers and lakes and any number of different things. But the most fascinating thing is to see all the leftover, mostly abandoned. There's still a few that are operating out there. The mom and pop motels and RV parks and campgrounds and cabins and stuff like this along these routes. And if the walls of those places could talk, it would be amazing to hear the stories about the old days before the big chain hotels came into place. And I have actually shut down in an old school motel tonight, Cimarron Motor Inn here in Klamath Falls, Oregon. It's about 30 miles or so from the California line, and I'm heading to the Lava Beds National Park tomorrow to check it out. I love the national parks out west. They're not crowded like they are in the south, like the Great Smoky Mountains. That's got a special place in my heart, but you're always in a traffic jam, seems like, in that national park, because I think it's #1. And after we do the Lava Park tomorrow, we're going to start on our journey excuse me, down Highway 101, something I've always wanted to do. Highway 101 runs along the coast there in California, and there's all sorts of national landmarks, things that I'm really looking forward to seeing along that journey. And I feel blessed to be able to do this. Some of you may know why I'm doing this. I've got some health issues that are going on with myself, and there's a few places I wanted to see in the world, and in especially the U.S. And so I'm kind of on a pilgrimage. Old Blue is doing well. I can't complain whatsoever about Old Blue's performance on this trip. She's just handled it with just like a dream. I just tell her where I want to go, and she takes me. And I've got my two little dogs along with me. You'll meet those a little bit later on in this journey, and I'll introduce you to those. They are really amazing traveling companions. I'm doing this trip by myself, so there's a lot of downtime, just myself, and thank goodness for Sirius XM satellite radio, because where I've been in the last several days, there's not much radio service. But there's a lot of things to be thankful for, and I'm thankful for life and the ability to do this, to live in the great country of the USA. And just a shout out to all my family that's so supportive, and most of all to the good Lord above for giving me the ability to do this and to enjoy it and put some memories down that I'll never forget. and I'll be uploading the video, and by the time you get this message, the video should be uploaded. I appreciate it so very, very much, and appreciate all the support, the likes, the comments. And Old Blues Adventures is absolutely something I am honored to be a part of and to have started. And just remember, you can find Old Blues Adventures on YouTube and also Instagram and also Facebook. Look me up, give me a follow, give me a friend request, give me a like, whatever it takes, because I'm here for y'all. If you have something special you want me to do or somewhere you want me to go, feel free to reach out in the comments or give me a post or whatever, and I will do my dead level best. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And for tonight, that's all. And remember, percentage up with Old Blues Adventures.